What's up, guys? You're welcome back to another lesson right here on learnakan.com. So today I want us to take a quick look at the verb to have. All right, to have. So in Twi, the verb to have is wo. And take note, the tone on this is on the lower side. All right, so I say wo. If you take the tone up, you'll be saying something completely different. Okay, so if you say wo instead of wo, you'll be saying to pound. Okay, to pound. So if I say, for example, me wo, that is I have. But if I say me wo, okay, me wo, that is I pound. All right, so make sure you bring the tone on the verb down. All right, so this is the verb that we are looking at today. Now, in English, when you conjugate this verb, you get I have, you have, he or she has, right? It has, we have, you have, as in plural, right? And then they have. So the third person singular goes with has because of the subject-verb agreement that you have going on in English. Fortunately for us, we don't have that in Twi. So we use the same form, wo, for all the pronouns. Okay, so if we have to conjugate this in Twi, we will have me wo, wo wo, owo, ewo, yewo, mowo, and wowo. All right, so as you can see, nothing changes in terms of the form of the verb. All right, now let's put this in a standard sentence. So let's add an object. What is it that we have? Let's add maybe sika, money. All right, so I can say mewo sika, wowo sika, owo sika, ewo sika, ewo sika, ewo sika, yewo sika, mowo sika, and wowo sika. All right, now let's move to the negative. In English, when you say I have, you have, he or she has, and all those, if you want to make that negative, you insert don't or doesn't, depending on the pronoun. So you have I don't have, he or she doesn't have, right? You have we don't have, and all those. Again, for us, we don't do any of that because in the first place, the negative is formed on the verb in Twi. Okay, so we do not form the negative of verbs with separate words as you have in English. So for us, the negative is formed directly on the verb with either or depending on the first letter of the verb in question. But we are not going to get into that today. That will be on negation. All right. Now, for this verb wo, this is irregular. So it doesn't really follow the standard negation rule in Twi. All right. So just get this right now. The negative of wo, okay, wo, and not any of the other was that we have, okay, because we have a bunch of them with different meanings. But I mean this wo as in to have, all right? The negative of this is ni. Ni. So to not have is ni. So if you take that now, that's it. You don't have to learn anything regarding this, verb. So the positive is wo. The negative is ni. Okay? So if we put this back in, our earlier sentences, we can say meni sika. Meni sika. Meni sika. All right? So you stretch the a bit because they are double, right? Meni sika. Wunni sika. Wunni sika. Wunni sika. Onni sika. Onni sika. Onni sika. Enni sika. Enni sika. Enni sika. Yenni sika. Yenni sika. Yenni sika. Munni sika. Munni sika. Munni sika. And finally, wonni sika. Wonni sika. Wonni sika. Now, note that we combine the verb with the pronoun because the pronoun is a subject pronoun. And we've stated in a previous lesson, I'll link it up here. We stated in the previous lesson on subject pronouns that when you have a subject pronoun directly followed by a verb, we combine them into a single unit in writing, right? But if the verb is coming after, for example, a noun, then you will split it. Okay, so instead of the pronouns, we can replace the pronouns with the name of, the person that we are talking about. So I can say, for example, Kofi wo sika. Okay, Kofi wo sika. And in this case, I have split the verb, all right, because we don't combine verbs and nouns. Okay, Kofi wo sika. And in the negative, I would say Kofi ni sika. Still split, right? Kofi ni sika. Kofi ni sika. So this is pretty straightforward and I hope you get it. So let's end with one more set of examples and let's use a different noun, all right? So this time around, we are not using the noun sika. Let's use ebusia, all right? Ebusia. So I can say mewo ebusia. Mewo ebusia. And in the negative, I'll say mini ebusia. Mini ebusia. Wowo ebusia. Wowo ebusia. In the negative, wunni ebusia. Wunni ebusia. Ewo ebusia. It's always weird when you use the it pronoun. So we have ewo ebusia. Ewo ebusia. And in the negative, we have eni ebusia. Eni ebusia. Yewo ebusia. Yewo ebusia. Yeni ebusia in the negative. Yeni ebusia. Mowo ebusia. Mowo ebusia. Munni ebusia. Munni ebusia. And the final one, wowo ebusia. Wowo ebusia. And in the negative, woni ebusia. Woni ebusia. All right. Again, if we use a name instead of the pronouns, the subject pronouns, then we would say, for example, Kwame wo ebusua, split, right? Kwame wo ebusua. And in the negative, Kwame ni ebusua. Kwame ni ebusua. Okay, so this is where we end today's lesson. Thank you guys very much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so before you leave. Thank you, and I hope to see you next time.